Hey guys, welcome to Blacktop Auto Media. My name's Justin.
My name's Mike.
We got some really exciting stuff that we wanted to share with you. We've been passionate about cars and car shows and modifying cars for a very long time, and we decided that it's just not really right for us to keep that to ourselves. So we started this YouTube channel. So hopefully you guys will follow us and go on this journey with us. But we've got some exciting stuff, some exciting cars and events planned out already, so I'll let Mike tell you a little bit about that. Go ahead and drop a couple of the meets and cars and stuff like that.
Yeah, so we have some really cool events coming up, and we've been getting in contact with some really awesome people. So this channel is mainly going to be based out of just doing, going to car events, cars and coffee, going cruises, meeting people, obviously people, automotive enthusiasts. Doing modifications on my car once it comes back after being gone for a month, and you guys can probably guess just from that what kind of car it would be and what brand. Just guess in the bottom. You guys
comment below.
Yeah, just comment below. Pretty sure you guys can throw a wild guess.
I'm sorry, buddy.
I know, dude. Like honestly, I feel like fast cars are just like fun cars are just kind of like a. Yep, it's like an addiction. Once you don't have it, it's like you start feeling weird.
Yeah, you get all jittery.
Is it just me? I don't know why. You get all jittery, man. I'm that rental right now. But anyways, but yeah, so once that's back, I had some really cool ideas planned for the car going forward. And also, going to other states, other cities, hopefully other countries, which would be really awesome to share that with you guys and for us to experience it as well.
Italy, Japan.
What's that automotive? That really there's two really famous automotive companies in Italy, Linguini
and Recari or something.
Yeah, something like that.
Wait, no, that's the seats.
Something, yeah, one of those two.
Ricardo,
I think they're.
Recari,
I'm pretty sure they're on them. That's the one. Yeah. So that's how we're trying to make this really fun, and kind of exciting. Throw our own spin on this YouTube channel. We've been inspired by that dude in blue, Stradman, and Top Gear. Obviously, I've been watching Top Gear, or we both have for a while, and we're really passionate about this.
Love that show. We're gonna work with you one day, Top Gear.
Yeah, Top Gear. You better contact us.
I said it now. It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
Speaking it into fruition.
Oh yeah, it's gonna happen. Yeah, and hopefully you guys do enjoy the video that's coming right after this. It'll give you an idea of what's to come. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.
And it was somewhere then I started to feel covered in chaos. And it was somewhere then don't look at me.
You ever seen one of these, Jacob?
Square engine?
Yeah.
Pantera, okay.
That's a pretty Ford.
I have never seen one before. That's why. Yes, that one has one.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's a Ford. So my dad worked at Dream Machines in Kingman, Arizona, and they had a Pantera in there.
So I love me some classic cars, but now you're really gonna see me start foaming because the car I think I'm going to buy or lease and beat the shit out of for 2 years is here. And it's also in one of the 2 colors I'm thinking about getting mine in. So yeah, guys, that's it. We just wanted to make a quick, just laid back introduction and introduce you guys to us and to the YouTube channel, and hope that you choose to go on this journey with us, because I promise it's going to be a fun one. I wanted you to share it. Let's drop a goose egg. Don't turn the camera off yet. Stay with us. We're not done yet.